Hello guys, welcome to the Massman YouTube channel. Today I'm come with another question. We are continuing with our question answering series in the software development field, in the programming field. And today's question is, what is MERN stack? Okay, MERN, nice name, right? A stack. I already explained what is stack and why the technology stack in the software development field called it as a stack. So just check that video and we'll continue with our question, what is a MERN stack? So first let me tell you that M have a meaning its own, E have meaning its own, and R having its own meaning, and Node N having its own meaning. So I already explained you each and every alphabet's meaning in detail. You can check with that videos, but as a stack, we are looking into the stack, we a common phrase for it, so I'll explain in short here. For brief explanation, just check for those video on same channel. Okay, link in the description probably. MERN stands for MongoDB, M for MongoDB, E for Express, R for React, and N for Node. Actually, initially it was a mean, which looks so mean as uh, here R is a replacement of A. A is nothing but Angular.js. So React is a replacement for Angular.js in the MERN stack. It is something like that. A FANG, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Amazon again. I FANG, yeah. So Apple, yeah. So Apple was not there. Apple is came. Yeah, coming. Microsoft coming and going. I don't know if they are including or not. But yeah, they are worldwide. Only Fang with double A is accepted. I don't see huge acceptance for M in the Fang. Oh, if you have a question on what is Fang and what is I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a video for that as well. So let's stick with our main question. What is a MERN stack? So MongoDB for MEVN, Express is for E, and R for React, and N for Node.js. Okay, so what is MongoDB? A document database. Great, you have a document and there is a table list. Far ago, when the just ASP.NET is on the boom, then tableless coding is one concept came across to give accurate view on the browser. Then after on and the same time, for the database, people don't want the table. Why we force for the we force for the creating a tables. I don't want a table, so MongoDB comes into the picture. Brief explanation of MongoDB, check my others video where I explain I am from the MERN in brief. Express. Express is a Node.js web framework. Okay, so web framework. It is dedicated for the web application. And check again. Check for, you can check all brief explanation for concept in my separate videos in this question answering series. Fine. So React is a client-side JavaScript framework, and Node.js is a premier JavaScript web server. Okay, so Node.js, what Node.js? It's an Java runtime environment which compile your JavaScript code without the browser. So it's have a compiler installation on your local host or your base machine, and you don't need to go. So far ago, what was happening? JavaScript is written for the client side programming, just interacting with the user interface. So end user feel something interactive on the website. So it is compiled on the browser itself with the V8. Right now Chrome is using, Edge is using. Long ago there was SpiderMonkey for Firefox, and those compilers on the browser on dependent only, but Node.js provide the environment where JavaScript code can be compiled on the standalone machine without browser. So that is Node.js. And okay, so MERN is the one of the several variation of the main stack. So main stack means Angular.js comes into the picture, MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Nodes, where the traditional Angular.js front-end framework is replaced with the React and the other variant of MEVN. So it's not a MEVN, it's a MEVN. And what is V? Is the Vue.js. Vue.js. I'll create the video for the Vue.js as well. If you want, let me know in comment section. And really, any front-end JavaScript framework can work. So this is just the one terminology. It's a technology stack. We can use this component and put together to create a client-side or complete server-side and client-side web application. Yeah, that's it. So Express and Node make up a middle application. Oh, that's right. It's a middle tier. So if you know what is three-tier architecture of the software implementation or the website implementation, then you probably know that what is tier itself. Express.js, a server-side web framework, and Node.js, a powerful JavaScript server platform, which is nothing but the environment, a compiler environment, regardless of the which variant you choose. So Express and Node.js is always there, no matter you choose React, you choose Angular, you choose Vue.js. Ideal approach to working with the JavaScript and JSON all the way. So JSON will be always there, JavaScript will always there, MongoDB might be there, or you can use Firebase. It's nothing but the similar like a MongoDB data storage on the cloud, and Node.js as well. So these three, the position at the three is having a three candidate to apply at the position third in the uh, main app. Yeah. Okay, so how does the MERN stack works? The MERN's architecture allow you to easily construct a three-tier architecture. So let's me elaborate that what is three-tier architecture in the web development, or any software development, a front end, a back end, and database. So most of the time people treat front end and back end and database as a single thing, but in three-tier architecture, it is actually separated from the business logic. So what backend actually contain, it's contain a business logic, and it also contain there is one service which connect to business logic with the database, and those after processing data in the business logic, it is displayed on the front end as per the customer request or end user request, entirely using a JavaScript and JSON. So yeah, REST service is completely rely on the JSON nowadays, and nowadays not its architecture supported in JSON only. It's a lightweight, simple architecture, no bulky like XML and other data, and JavaScript as usual. So here a nice diagram explains a database which is nothing but a MongoDB interacting with the server. So what server actually deployed with your Express.js and Node.js. Node.js, a Java runtime environment. Express.js actually a language to uh, implementing use for the business logic, and then the web React, which is nothing but front end. So I already explained what is React Frontend, Express, Node.js, and MongoDB in details. You can check with those videos. I use same link to explain it. Okay. So is mean a full stack? We'll quickly check with this and this. Okay, so is MERN a full stack solution? Obviously, it is a full stack solution. No need to explain in that. Why choose the mean? Let's start with the MongoDB, the document database, the root one. MongoDB is designed to store a JSON data natively. It is technically use a binary version of JSON called JSON, and everything from its command line interface is a query language, MQL, MongoDB queries, and built on the JSON JavaScript. Okay, so I think we already covered what is a MongoDB, and so no need to explain that. And if you're in doubt, then just choose that video, as it's briefly explained over there. I don't want to increase my video time, as many of requested you the same. MERN use cases: like any web stack, you can build whatever you want to MERN. I thought it is ideally suited for the case that JSON heavy, cloud native, and have a dynamic web interface. Okay, so these are the reason where you can choose a MERN. A few example might be a workflow management, news aggregation, to-do app, and calendars, interactive forum, social platform product or social platform site, and whatever else you can dream it. So you can check this link, which is from the MongoDB. And thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.